Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to schedule your posts on Instagram. First thing that you should do is to go and open the Play Store or App Store, whatever you are having. Then you want to search for Instagram, just like so. And you want to make sure that you do not have any updates. Then click on Open. Then you want to go to your profile picture on the bottom right side. Click on this hamburger icon on the top right side. And you want to switch your profile or your account to professional account. So you want to scroll down until you find a section called for professionals. Then click on business tools and controls. Then you want to scroll down until you find here switch account type. And here, because I have it already on professional, I'm gonna click on switch to personal just in order to show you exactly how to make it. So now I switch it to personal account. Now I'm gonna go and repeat the steps. Then here I have this section for professionals. Select account type and tools. Then you want to go and click on switch to professional account. Then you want to go and click on next. Then you want to choose any one of them. I will choose gamer, for example, switch to professional account. And here I have it on the professional account, creator. Then I'm going to click on continue. And here we have a professional account. Now you want to go and click on this plus icon on the top left side. Then you want to go and click on post. Then you want to choose anything that you want to post, for example.
Hello everyone.
Let's say that I will post this thing, for example. Then I'm going to click on next on the top right side. Then I'm going to click on next on the bottom right side. Then here you have these options. You want to just scroll down to the bottom till you find here more options. Then here you can set the schedule. You can click on schedule this post. Then add the schedule time and date, as you can see right here, PM and AM and so on. Then click on done. And that is it. This is how you can actually schedule a video or a post or a reel on Instagram. I hope this video is useful to you all. Please consider like and subscribe, share this video to your friend, and leave us a good comment. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.